Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller. We shall start with timer in mode 2 operation. As we have discussed earlier, we will be studying the timer in two modes. One is 16-bit mode, which we have already done. The other is 8-bit auto reload mode. That is mode 2. Okay. Now, as the name suggests, 8-bit auto reload mode. Okay. This mode has got a advantage over mode 1 and also a disadvantage with respect to mode 1. Okay. See, in case of mode 1, when you had to generate the square wave, okay, or when you want to repeat the delay, every time you have to load the timer values TH and TL. Okay, so that is additional time you require to load the value. Okay, the advantage was the timer count value you can load up to 16 bits, so you can get larger delays in mode 1, whereas in mode 2 the maximum count the like the count value you can load is only 8 bits. Okay, so the delays generated in mode 2 will be smaller compared to mode 1. But the advantage in mode 2 is that once you load the value in the 8-bit register, in this case it is TH register, you need not reload it again and again. So the processor will, the hardware which is designed, it will automatically reload the value. Okay, so that's what the diagram says. So the crystal frequency divided by 12, then when you start the timer, here you see you will load the value in TH register. Okay, then a copy of that is given into TL register. Okay, and once the overflow happens, automatically again TL will be loaded with a value present in TH register. Okay, so this time of loading again and again is saved in mode 2. Okay, so with respect to accurate delays, mode 2 is more accurate. Okay, so the only difference is this, all other things remain same. Okay, so while you calculate, the steps and all are same. While you calculate the values here, so as usual you will calculate n is equal to required time delay by 1 count. Now here timer value to be loaded in the TH register, it will be 256 minus n. It is not 65,536, but it is 256 minus n. Okay, and its equivalent hex value will be loaded only in TH register. That's all you have to note down. Okay, now for example, find the value to be loaded in TH register to create a delay of 0.1 millisecond. Okay, assume crystal of 11.0592 megahertz. Okay, and timer in mode 2 operation. So n is equal to required time delay by 1 machine cycle. Okay, required time delay is 0.1 millisecond. Okay, divided by 1 count is 1.085 microsecond, because crystal frequency is 11.0592 megahertz. So you get count of 92. Okay, so this 92 is less than 256. So if you do 256 minus 92, you will get 164 in decimal. So this is what you have to note down in case of mode 2. 164, if you convert in hexadecimal, it will be A4H. So this value you will be loading in the TH register. If you are using timer 0, it will be TH0, and if you are using timer 1, it will be TH1. Okay. Thank you.